It's the Red Carpet Vacuum Awards, and here comes this year's favorite sweetheart, the Shark Navigator. Wow, 5-star ratings everywhere. How do you do it?
I owe it all to my no loss of suction technology.
Your fans have called you both lightweight and powerful.
Oh, thank you. I love them all so much, and that's why I try to offer them such great cleaning power and a 5-year warranty.
And at under $200, you're less than half the price of the leading competitor.
Thanks for noticing.
The moment you begin to vacuum, your vacuum bag begins to clog, and you lose suction power. Even bagless vacuums have filters that clog. Then, you lose the power to clean. Dyson solved that problem with the first no loss of suction vacuum, but that technology was expensive, nearly $500. Until now, introducing the new Shark Navigator, the first no loss of suction vacuum at a price you can actually afford. You'll save hundreds of dollars over the leading vacuum. Now you can have amazing deep carpet cleaning and superior bare floor cleaning all in one easy-to-use lightweight vacuum. Plus, the Navigator has lifetime filters and a 5-year warranty.